Hello guys and welcome back to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to set up custom Steam library art and icons. So what you need to do is you just need to navigate to the library dashboard, library tab when you launch up your Steam. Also make sure that you are in the visual grid layout mode. Then locate your target game cover. So for example, I'll do this for Elden Ring. You just go ahead and right click here and then choose either set custom background or custom logo. So if you want background, click on here, and from your PC just choose the file you want to attach here as your background, maybe a screenshot from the game itself. If you want to set a custom logo, absolutely the same. Go ahead and choose the logo that you've created or download it from somewhere and go ahead and set it here. And also guys, a small recommendation, in order to prevent severe compression or jagged borders, select an image file trimmed down to exactly 600 by 900 pixels. This perfectly matches Steam's native 2.3 vertical rendering aspect ratio container on absolute autopilot. And in order to update the sidebar icon, also small tips, you can just choose a square image block and upload a transparent .png or .ico file. Pretty simply done guys, as you can see, only a few clicks of a button. If this helped you out as always, like and subscribe.